So, hi Sri Varshitha,
Hi, sir.
how are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm doing good. So, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
So, for your selections, and I really appreciate good company and good packages.
Yeah, thank you.
HSBC as well as
Deloitte.
great, nice. So, how are you feeling now? First
It
success.
was really exciting for me, sir. Actually, I never thought that I'll place in a great company, but I even got offer in Deloitte, but also in HSBC with a great package. So now I'm in HSBC company with a great package. So I'm really exciting to go to this company, sir.
Great. So, what about the trust which you can put on SV professionals? They fulfill your trust?
Yeah, sir. Really, I'm really thankful for this SV Institute.
Great. Even I can say that Vaishnavi, your hard work, patience, also
Yes.
results. Only we
Yes.
supported a 60 to 70%, but the remaining 30%, 40% of your hard work pays off.
Yeah, sir. Even my friend got selected in Deloitte company.
Yeah, name I forgot.
Rakshita.
Rakshita, yes, Rakshita. You both came from your
Yeah.
college,
Avinash College.
Avinash College of Commerce,
Yeah.
right? You people, you both came for the
Yeah.
demo sign. Basically, when you are student, you came here.
Yeah, sir. During my degree second year, I came here, but
Okay.
again my classes were started, so again I left this institute.
Okay, again you came.
Yes.
You came with
Again.
your friend.
Yeah.
Nice. She's happy.
Yes, sir. We both are happy.
Good. Even she also worked hard. She proved, and you both guys have a lot of confidence. And at the same time, you people work hard. That is the reason this results.
Yeah.
First of all, I appreciate your mother as well.
Yeah, sir.
She only
By
came.
her only I came to here.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
That day, when you are doing your graduation, also she
Yeah.
came and again she came and said, "Sir, we have a lot of trust on you."
Yes.
Because my child said that she want to join here itself. She want to go any
Yeah.
other institute.
Like I want to learn the basics of accounting and finance. So that's why I used to come when
Okay.
I'm free time.
Nice. So why did you trusted SV? There are many in the market, right?
Yeah, sir, but lots of reviews are came from here, and also I like to learn Excel, accounting, and communication skills, finance, etc. So that's why I came here.
How was the staff and administration here?
It's
You liked
really
it?
good, sir. It's really good, friendly, and polite.
Nice. So what was your father's doing?
Business.
Business. He is into
Yeah.
business.
Yeah.
So your mother, she support and she is
Yeah.
working as a lecturer
Yeah,
somewhere.
yeah. Graphic designing.
So sorry, she is
Graphic,
into
yeah.
graphic design. So nice. Good, Amma. So after graduation, you got with this good package
Yeah.
because the way of selection is very good. That is the
Yeah.
reason because many people they don't know after graduation they will waste 1 year, 2 years of time.
Yeah.
Again they want to go for masters. Again they want to come for job. This is a messy situation. So when completed your graduation, you realize that this is I want to start into good career. So
Yeah.
definitely that's good. So tell me more about your experience in SV and
Yeah, actually, I was so afraid that where I'll get job or not. But after end, I reached my success and I learned everything from here. And the staff was really friendly with me. Within any doubts, also I can really understanding the way of their explanation and things. And within three mock interviews, I cleared the
these two
test.
interviews.
Yeah.
Nice. So while so compared to when you are into college as well as after college, so when theoretically what you learned from college and when you are coming here, practical things were happening, right? So at the time, what was your feeling? So
Yeah, in college, there was nothing to be learned where compared to this, as it is a real time institute where we can learn and practice more. As a college, there will be so many people and we can't learn.
focus
so
and at the same time,
Yeah.
we will focus about our certificates.
Where here we can focus individual students.
Exactly. So when it is an individual, the things will be changed.
Yeah.
And your communication trainer name? Kiran sir, right?
Kiran sir.
From Ramakrishna.
Ramakrishna.
Nice. He helped.
Sir?
His sessions were held.
It's a very good institute, sir.
I'm not speaking about institute. It's like Kiran sir, how is?
Yeah, Kiran sir was so friendly, sir.
Okay,
He explained each and every point,
Mhm,
even the meanings, vocabularies,
mhm, mhm.
every sentence formations,
Okay.
etc. And also he also learned like interview questions also.
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
By that I can grab easily.
Okay, okay. So in general interview
Yeah,
questions. That's nice. Good. So I'm very happy that.
yeah.
So do your best, Varshitha, and
Yeah,
definitely
thank
you
you,
need
sir.
to grow well.
Yes.
Okay. Remember one thing, because when you entered into a good company, so that is one task, but
Yeah.
keeping the activities wise, and keep in mind that you need to do hard work, then only you can survive in the market. If
Yeah.
not, we can't. Okay.
Yes.
So minimum 3 to 4 years you can work with that company. Definitely you will grow well.
Yeah.
All the best.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thank